What makes us want to do things? Sometimes we do things for rewards. Other times, it's to avoid trouble. This is like a donkey and a carrot. Do good, get a treat. Do bad, get a punishment. This works for simple, clear tasks. Like sorting socks or washing dishes. You know exactly what to do. But for creative tasks, they don't. Thinking outside the box needs freedom. Rewards can actually make it harder. We have a natural inner desire to do things because they are fun. Not for prizes, but for joy. Autonomy means being your own boss. You choose what to do and how. It feels great to have a say. Mastery is wanting to get better. Like practicing soccer or drawing. It's fun to improve your skills. Purpose is doing something meaningful. Like helping others or saving nature. It connects your work to something big. When you play, you choose to do it. You want to get better at the game. Play connects to your inner drive. Look for ways to make choices. Even small choices make a difference. It makes tasks feel like your own. Don't be afraid of tough things. They help you grow and learn. Practice always makes you better. Think about how you can help. Your actions can make a big difference. Find your purpose and shine bright.